This baby. Talking about sketchy entry. This is the point of entry. To get in. So, because there's a little hole in the foundation right here that leads to the bigger sections over here. So this would be the holding area right here. So at first we were stumped. We couldn't gain access, but I kept poking around, and then I found that little hole right here, and that was the way in. So this would be the QC area right here. So all the dock doors right here. And there's some more right here. And yeah, there's some bins as well. Man, this area really smells like chemicals. I don't know what's in here, but it really smells like chemicals, and I don't know what's over there. And there. It's very sludgy. And it smells very bad. So it says health, and it is flammable. Fire, explosion, hazard. So whatever is left in here, it is hazardous and it is toxic. I see a funnel right here in this, so it's some kind of oil-based product. Interesting. Curious. I want to poke around over there, but I don't want to track all this stuff over, inside my car. So, I guess I'm gonna have to pass on this one. But I don't know. Any clues on whatever this stuff is? I mean, there's some buckets right here too. I mean, this stuff is, I don't know what this is. Hazardous. I know that. Alright, y'all, I couldn't resist. I had to poke around over here and see. what's over here. I don't have any safety equipment with me, but there is some pink stuff in here. I don't know what is in here. It looks like some more chemicals. Alright, I guess I'm gonna poke around in this section to see what's in there. I only live once, I guess. Alright, here we have some drums that seems to be leaking something, some kind of chemicals. There's white substance on the ground right here, and you can see some leaking out of the container right here, and yeah, there's more leaking out of some of the other containers here too. The rest seems to be like little circuitry. Maybe this used to be I don't know what this little area used to be. And I don't know what this this colored substance is either. It's like pink or purple. And there's just a couple of some furniture and stuff. And some more drums, and maybe these boxes contain some of that purple stuff. Oh, hold on. There's some bags here. Maybe containing some of this stuff. So I don't know if it's dye or, yeah, here it is. It's some kind of powder substance, but it's not labeled or anything. Alright, enough of this. Before I take home a contagion. Alright.